have a great surprise today. Welcome to Carlos Gutierrez. I'm Nicaragua in Granada. Exactly, I am in Granada, Nicaragua. So probably you've been asking, Carlos, what is like a beautiful restored home close to the center, right in the heart of the city? Well, today I'm going to walk through a beautiful completely restored colonial home with some historical pieces of it. And you know what? It's only a few steps away from the center of La Plaza Los Leones. And actually from here, right from the door, I can see the famous place called San Francisco or Convento San Francisco, which is also a museum. And next door, there's a special place I like to go and try my coffee every morning, and I'll tell you what's the name. But in the meantime, you and I, we're going to tour this amazing, beautiful home, totally restored with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, swimming pool, for only $195,000, what you can get and why this place is so special. So let's go. Beautiful first living space you're gonna find out when you walk into this amazing colonial restored completely home. One of the main features you're always gonna find out in these beautiful homes is the open space about the main living space. This home actually is just a fraction of one single colonial home. Back in the days, we're talking about houses that can easily be over 2,000 or 3,000 square meters. Sometimes I found houses about 500 square meters. For those that don't understand meters, we're talking about over 5,000, 6,000 square feet under the roof. Well, one of the first impressions you're gonna get is the wow, high ceiling you can tell in these beautiful rooms. These walls actually, guys, represent how well done these houses were done. This is the adobe. And when they do restorations, you can see all the plasters, and it has to be specific people that understand how this wall can last longer. One of the main points about these adobe walls is they are living walls. They breathe, exactly, because they're made of, dirt, grass, and all the materials. I remember talking to some architects specialized to maintain these type of walls. They said, Carlos, the big keys of these walls is the excellent roof condition. The high ceiling like this provide not only the sense of the ground, also allows get all the heat away and feel the coolness inside these rooms. Another thing also is very important, when you renovate the houses, remember these places used to be dark because no skylight. And today constructions, what they do, they install skylight in the first living room so you can see all the illuminations and the natural lights coming in. Now, walking through here, you can also see the thickness of these beautiful walls. Definitely, the location of these homes is also another big plus. What's behind the doors? Look at these. 2 slots, French style, little windows, always let the breeze go through and the lights. So when you open this door, go this way, look. So you can see how this main corridor is the core of the whole layout that blends these beautiful sections in between living, kitchen, swimming pool, and more living space right there. So coming back to the kitchen, look what I found. My friends from Kathy's Waffle. Kathy's Waffle, can you see? That's where I take my breakfast every time I have the chance to come and visit Granada, because you know what? They have a great coffee. Thank you very much, guys, for the coffee and the waffles. and the Nicaraguan's breakfast as well. You have to try it. They have a great fried cheese and tortillas and gallo pinto, but also for those people that love to keep the traditional American breakfast with waffles and cream and chocolate, that's a place to go. So definitely, I recommend it, and try the coffee, which is excellent. So anyway, continue looking around here. You can see how simple, functional, practical is this kitchen size. Everything you need, stove, fridge, cabinetry, everything is in the right location. And I like the fact that it's so open, you don't feel dark, and the breeze is all the ways coming from here, and the view from the swimming pool. I love the way how they did all the roof with the pillars, which is a very iconic characteristic of the colonial homes. But anyway, so you can see everything is just right in the right position. Everything is organized, love it, solid, nicely done, and a custom made woodwork. So coming back here, remember, we walk, and right now, done. We are in the TV section where you can have your coffee or your beer. So now, and because this is the main line that will connect the whole house from the front all the way to the back, here you can enjoy the day, catching all the breeze and the light, and why not, if you just want to cool off, jump into that swimming pool. Talking about the swimming pool, that's a great feature, especially when you come into Nicaragua and you say, Carlos, I want to buy the house because I want to rent it. I want to use it on the rental market. I want to use it for me when I'm in vacation. But definitely, I also want to enjoy a good time in the swimming pool. This is actually a great size. Now, walking to the rest of the property, here you have these beautiful stairs. This door is, they leave it here, the space. This is for the swimming pool equipment, and also they put all together. I mean, you know, all the broom and all your supplies to clean the house. Here is a full bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, everything. So this one is for your guests, and also for this room right here. Actually, this is like an office. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. That's another bathroom. Betty said, Carlos, pay attention. Anyway, this is the bathroom for the first bedroom here, which is great because, you know, if somebody's coming here, they don't need to go here. Boom. Okay, so now we're gonna go and look at the second floor where we have 2 bedrooms and the bathrooms as well. So this section here, I like it because it has a nice sense of the whole view you can check on the main corridor and how everything's connected perfectly. One thing is how they did everything's put in together, so when you walk into this house, you can feel right away in home. Very comfortable. Let's go. See, this is now at the second level where they leave this very cool little balcony. Small balcony, but good enough to catch the breeze. And from here, I have a beautiful view from the San Francisco church and a great view from the rest of the house. Especially I can check the swimming pool and right there, the open kitchen. Behind me, yeah, look at this, perfect. Cozy, homey, relaxing, quiet, tranquil. That's what you can see and what you can tell when you walk into this room. I like the fact that they have so many windows right here and the doors facing the open outdoor of the swimming pool, because that is allowing you to catch more breeze and natural light. And here you can see the high ceiling again with this window from where you can catch the shower downstairs. Don't do that. Okay, so here we have 2 beds, the main one evidently, and this secondary one for your guests, especially if your friends or you are coming with kids. This is perfect. And one more thing, we have a Jack and Jill bathroom right here, where above you're gonna see the water pump pressure system, and the backup water tank. So when it's not water in the city, you're good. So the house actually, guys, comes completely furnished. It's a turnkey deal. So let's go and see the other part of this. You have the bathrooms, full side bathrooms, and an extra room where we have another bed, including a desk. So probably if you come by yourself, you want to stay on the second floor and you want to set up your office work, is ready. Perfect. Every room, it has a split unit to cool off. That's also another big plus. Thank you so much for watching this video today, especially you who is looking a house right in the heart of the city for your family or for your investment or for your retiree. This is a great choice. Remember, we are in Calle Arsenal in Granada, Nicaragua. The asking price for this beautiful home is $195,000 and it comes completely restored, fully furnished. We are going to have this property very soon in all the social media. And here you are, my telephone number, what's up, and my email. If you say, Carlos, I'm in Granada, I can send a family, I want to see the house, I want to buy it. And don't forget to subscribe because I want to see you at the next adventure.